ازيكم. Cursor AI is a AI code editor by using web coding. It's help you for using prompting or prompt engineering in coding. It will increase your productivity in writing codes and producing applications, programs, websites, mobile application, all ever you are doing with coding. You don't need to be proficient in some language. You just need to know the basics, and you have strategic thinking and creativity. You will do what you will do with Cursor AI. You it's type of generative AI. Let's go. This is the website cursor.com. All you need to do is to sign in, and you can sign in with your GitHub account or Google Gmail account or Apple account. I have a Google account, and I will sign in with my Google account. This is my daughter's, but this one and this is my official. I will use the normal one or the local one. Then continue. This Cursor AI, it will help you to build your app step by step and help you to discover errors. So it's free till now. It's free and you can use it like ChatGPT and DeepSeek, Blackbox. It's very special for web coding and for lovable coding, and okay, it's using GPT-5 and it's free. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others and press like. You don't lose anything.